Welcome ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to solve one of the coolest problem, which is check if all A appears before all B. So what is the question is saying? Like if you look at the title only, you can understand what it's saying. It's saying like the all the A has to appear before the B. Okay, so that's all the question is. If you look at over here in the question even as well, you see they are saying like we have given a string consisting of only the characters A and B, written true if every A appears before every B. Okay, otherwise written false. Okay guys, and if you look at this problem institution like constraints, so this is like is go okay, so it's okay. All right, so guys, let me explain you one more time what it's saying. If you look at this example, so in this example all the A's are appearing before B's. Okay, if in this example you can see A B A B, so it means like this A is appearing after B. So if it's appear after B, then we have to return false for that. But if all the A's appear before B, before B, yeah, then we have to return true for that. Okay, so this problem is quite simple to solve it. So what we're gonna do is, first of all, I will just gonna use a simple brute function. So for this one, what I will do, I will just run a loop from 0 I less than s dot len I plus plus. Okay guys, all right. So now what I will do, I will gonna do it like something like, okay, I will say if I will check first of all if my s dot char at I is B and s dot char at I plus 1 is A. If that's the condition, so what I'm saying, I'm just saying it like, okay, listen, if my first value is B and my second value, my I plus 1 value is A, then for this one I will just simply return false. I will simply return false. Okay, so I will just simply return false over here. And guys, one more thing, I have to take this. I will iterate only till s dot length minus 1. What minus 1 before the just one value before, because you know, like otherwise if I want to just do it something like this, then I have to change the value. I will gonna iterate only till s dot length minus 1. Otherwise it will come. It will go out of the bound. Out of the bound error will come. Okay, and finally return true. If that condition will appear, then we're going to simply return false. If that's not the case, then we're simply going to return true. Let me just run it to see it's accepting very well or not. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen. So it's accepting very well. So let me just submit it to see time complexity and all that. Okay, here we go. So it's accepting very well. So it's running 100% faster. Yeah. So don't look at over here. Might be my internet slow or there's too much load on the server. So the time complexity in this one we are dealing with off, and our space complexity is off 1. Okay. So how is time complexity is off? And because you know we are just using a for loop and we are reiterating n number of times for the worst case. Okay. And you can solve this question even like in another way in using n square. So for that, what you can do is just okay, let me show it to you. So like what I mean by saying that another way. Okay, so if you can end the video over here, but if you want to see the another way as well, then you can see. Just that way, just only for to impress the interviewer. Like if this question appear, then you have two ways to solve this problem. Okay, so the one very brute way is, if you just start your I from 0 I till less than s dot len I plus plus. And guys, over here I will check if my s dot char at I is B. If that's the case, then go into the loop and check. If I found B, and I will go inside my loop and I will check for it j equals to I plus 1. Okay, because my I start from 0 and my j pointer will start from I plus 1. You go till j less than s dot len and it's j plus plus. Okay, and over here I will check. If my s dot char at j is gonna A. If that's the case, then I will return false for that. Otherwise, I will just simply gonna come out and return true. Let me just gonna run it first to see is any compilation error do we face over here. So yeah, okay, my mistake. I just capitalize. So here we go, and I will explain the line of code which I have written. And here we go, ladies and gentlemen, it's accepting. So what I did over here is, if you carefully look, I say what how we are traversing. Like let's say we have something like B A B. Let's just we have something like this. So this, like, it's looking like this is the fourth case, but how I'm checking is my I pointer is over here, and in this if condition I'm checking if there's the A in the starting, if there's a B, then what I will do, I will gonna iterate and find, like, if the next pointer, my J pointer is at over here, so 0 1 2 3, 0 plus 1 is 0, I plus 1, 0 plus 1 is over here on the A, then I will gonna return false for that, otherwise I will gonna return true for that. So I hope so, ladies and gentlemen, you is clear what we are doing. The time complexity in this one we are dealing with big of n square, okay, and space complexity is big of 1. Alright guys, so I hope the code is clear, like how we are approaching this code. So that's all for this, ladies and gentlemen, and thank you very much for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. Take care, bye bye.